Are you struggling to monitor your Docker containers effectively? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Prometheus, Grafana, and cAdvisor that many users face. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your monitoring setup doesn't reflect the actual state of your containers. You're not the only one dealing with this, and it's a common challenge in the Docker community. Here's the situation we're addressing. One user set up a Docker monitoring stack using Prometheus, Grafana, and cAdvisor. They noticed that while new containers are detected immediately, stopped or removed containers still appear as running. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? The query used is supposed to count the last seen state of the containers. However, if the stopped containers are still showing as running, there might be an issue with how the query is structured or how the metrics are being scraped. Stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you optimize your monitoring setup even further. To address the issue with the query, the user should first understand how Prometheus handles metrics for containers. When a container stops, cAdvisor removes its metrics, but the query may still reflect it as running due to the way it counts metrics. Next, the user can modify the query to ensure it accurately reflects the current state of the containers. Instead of counting the last seen metric, they can use the count function on the container memory usage bytes metric, which will only count currently running containers. Additionally, the user should consider using the up metric, which indicates whether a container is running or not. This can provide a clearer picture of the container's status. Finally, the user should test the modified queries in the Prometheus UI to ensure they reflect the correct state of the containers. This will help confirm that the changes have resolved the issue. Fun fact, did you know that cAdvisor was originally developed by Google? It's a powerful tool for monitoring container performance, and it keeps getting better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that the issue may be related to how long cAdvisor keeps data in memory. They explain that while the data is stored, the count scalar function still recognizes the container as valid. In their setup, cAdvisor retains this data for 5 minutes. After that, the container last seen metric disappears, providing accurate information. They suggest adjusting the storage duration using the storage duration flag. As an alternative for quicker alerting, the user recommends a different query. This query compares the last seen date with the current date to check if a container has been running within the last 60 seconds. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Regularly review and update your monitoring queries. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your Docker monitoring should be much more accurate. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for advanced monitoring techniques.